Welcome back to another Joyride video. We're gonna give you guys an update. There has been a lot of new stuff, a lot of change, but this thing is still not done. We're not done with it yet. In the last video we did on the town, I tried this thing out for the first time, ran the GoPro through the town, and a lot of you guys loved it. So we're gonna do it again in this video. First thing you notice is the backdrop. You guys have one of these dioramas or have anything like this that you've built and you have not done a backdrop yet, it is a must. It takes it to a whole nother level. It makes it seem so much bigger. Before, when I would take pictures of stuff on there, it just didn't seem right with the curtains and all the stuff in the background, but when you like get up close, it just, everything looks so real. Look at that. That's just this backdrop. And it's all one piece. I had it custom made. It's all one piece.
And the grass on the background matches
yes.
the one on this.
Yes, the grass on the background. I don't have it, I just temporarily put it up. It's up with some painter's tape, but we will permanently put this thing up. I just kind of got ahead of myself a little bit. This guy. He's only 3 years old and already he's making car sounds. But if you guys are looking for a backdrop like this, trainjunckies.com. What I came up with, they have a bunch of different designs. I gave them my measurements, drew this out, sent it to them. Took about 2 weeks because it was custom. And this one it is vinyl. And so you guys have already seen this portion of the town that we built with the lights. We did a whole video on the light system and all that. And like I said before, we were gonna add a junkyard. Just ignore it. We just got like stuff going on with the drag strip over here, little man. So we added our junkyard. Look at that. So we got our junkyard over here with some junked up cars in there. So there's our junkyard. We'll take a ride through this whole town, but let me just give you guys a quick little overview. So you guys got to take a look at this Ford dealership that we got. This is all 3D printed. The same guy that built our Fast and the Furious house also printed this dealership. He printed Torettos for us. He printed a few of our buildings that we have here. So this is the new portion of the town. We have not put lights on this section yet, but I did put, yeah, we did put lights in the dealership, and we've got it on the remotes. Oh, you want the remote? This is our little like display area that we got. He's changing the colors inside the dealership with the remote.
Matches.
And then, but check this out. I got a bunch of people, but I haven't really put them in here. We got this garage here, this house garage. These doors open. This was 3D printed as well. Super cool. The lids come off of the houses.
My Mustang.
So we got a lift in there in this home garage. You can park the car under it if you really want. And he's over here changing his lights in the dealership. Look at that. And check out the back. We got some stuff going on in the shop. We got some tire changing equipment going on over here. Some lifts. We got some Ford mechanics in there working on some cars.
I would like you to fix my Christine.
We don't have lights in there yet, buddy. Pop this off. We've got a dyno over here. Let's see if you guys can see that. This part of the dealership pops off too, so you can see inside the showroom floor. And then, of course, the coolest part of this built us an RV park.
But the camp.
Fox body. I bought some of these little golf carts. Check out this. This is a DCP RV. Look at that. It's got the full interior. It's got the pop outs, and they pop in and out, the slides. Yeah, we got the drag strip right there, which looks pretty cool next to the RV park. The drag strip, all these were like little pieces, and I pretty much gorilla glued them all down on here. Painted them white, did a bunch of stuff with them. I painted the bleachers, but the same guy that printed all this stuff for the drag strip, same guy that did the dealership. Before we get ahead of ourselves, we got some mail from some subscribers that we're gonna have to open up for you guys. We'll do that on video. We'll share that with you guys. Hey, babe. What are you doing? You want to come and say hi to everybody? Hi, Lena. You want to say hi to everybody? Lena, give everybody a smile. There we go. So Logan, he wants to open these. We got a surprise for you. So which one are we opening first? Are you sure? Liam, which one? Uh-oh. Whoa. Hold on. Do we got toy cars in here? Dude, a Cyclone. Oh my gosh.
Look at this.
GT500. What? Holy crap. What? I've never seen one of these. This is actually from Steve Hickey. I hope I said your name right. The New Edge Mustang. I've never seen it in Hot Wheels. I've seen the Matchbox. Ooh, is that a box body? Oh my gosh. Okay, the Ford lift definitely has to go into the Ford dealership. That is so cool. You see the Fox body? And look, okay, you see what 2 engines are right there, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know which engine that one is?
Coyote.
Okay, is that the one we're putting in there? I actually remember messaging Steve because we had issues with the package. Because apparently USPS, if you guys send us anything to our P.O. box, it will not get to us by UPS because my P.O. box is at a USPS location, which is kind of odd. I don't know why, because I feel like I've gotten stuff from UPS before. Thank you so much. So we're gonna open this one. This one is from Mr. Kurt.
It's a knife.
Sorry, Kurt. But we're all 3 pulling on your box. Hopefully it's nothing in here. It's super delicate.
Mine.
There we go.
No, mine.
Oh, we got a letter. Can you read that, Logan? Can you read it, Liam? I don't know how to read either. Wow. All right, here, hon, you read it because I don't want this video to be 40 minutes long.
I saw that you're making a Ford dealership, and I thought that you would make it like the one in the movie Roadhouse.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
Through there, so having a Bigfoot sitting by your dealership would be cool.
Yes, let's do it.
Bigfoot number 1, which is an older model, but I hadn't seen a number 7.
Let's open it. We're definitely gonna put it by the dealership. Look at that.
Can we open
Wow, this thing's got some detail.
Can we open the Fox body so we can build
All right, so we're gonna do
it?
this for Kurt. We're actually gonna park it over here in front of the dealership. Look at that. Look at that. Here, let's turn them that way. Yeah, that looks cool. Oh no! If somebody actually did that in real life. But thank you, Kurt. And all the other cars that we got from Steve, Chalissa, and Lil Man Jackson. They gave you those. Tell them thank you, buddy.
Thank you.
Wow.
Can we open this and put it together now?
We will. We will.
I want to do it now.
We will. Look at him. He's already playing with Bigfoot. You like Bigfoot? And I wanted to add too, just a quick reminder for some of you guys, if you don't know this already, I will be in Outer Banks for the Rod Custom Festival. That event, I've never been to it. And if you want more details on it, the previous video I posted before this, it'll be in like one of the end pop-up cards or whatever you call that, end screen videos. I'll put that video in there. But I will be there, and let's get you guys some of the GoPro footage riding through this town. Hope you guys enjoyed the GoPro footage and the update on the town that we built. We're not done. We still have a lot left to do.
Dada,
Yeah, bud.
are you gonna put pole lights on this side?
I got them already, I just haven't put them in yet, but I wanted to give everybody a quick update because we did the pole lights. I've got all these lights on over here on this side already, and then when we cut all the lights off, it looks super cool. Maybe once we get them all done, I'll have to do another update video for you guys.
We have a lot of videos of it like that.
We've got pretty much a full build of this town. When we built this, I pretty much showed you guys exactly everything I used for this. So if this is your first video, you got to check out the previous one. I kind of show the build process of it, but this one we just wanted to just kind of show the fun part, the cool part, right, bud? I don't know about you, but this right here is just so much fun. When I was a kid, I would have just loved this. That's Logan's favorite car right now, isn't it, bud? Christine. This is our house that we have set up here. We've got the Fox body that I wish I had. We did a Coyote swap on that. We've got our Camaro, and we gotta add a dream car, Logan's car. We had an Evo back in the day.
Used to have an ST.
Yeah, we did. And then of
Did
course,
you sell that?
I've never had a Monte Carlo, but I've always wanted one. One of my dream cars is a Grand National. But I don't know why. We're gonna have to trade this in. You know what? We're gonna have to trade this thing in. Let's go trade it in for a Grand National. What do you think? I think there's one over at the used dealership. You wanna go do it?
Look over there.
Yep, I think there's one over there. Let's ride over there and see if we can trade it in.
Oh,
We're gonna trade the Monte Carlo in.
inside the bed of it.
We're gonna have to unload this thing.
The Grand National's right there. Look.
Oh, let's check out this Grand National. Look at that thing. It's got the for sale sign and everything. That thing is sweet.
Take the sale sign off. Put it on the Monte Carlo.
Yeah, we'll put the for sale sign on the Monte Carlo. We haven't unloaded it yet. But if anybody wants a Monte Carlo, we got one over here at OK Used Cars for sale. See anything cool in there?
Turbo.
Oh yeah. We got all kinds of tools, engine hoist.
I can fix cars when they break down.
Oh really?
That's why I always have the trailer on there with tools inside there.
Oh yeah? Putting the Grand National up on there. Whoops. Would you break it off the hatch? Whoa. A little secret that we do sometimes. Here, show them, buddy. So, for trailering it, we'll put a little bit of sticky tape on the bottom.
So it doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
Are we gonna put this thing in the garage?
We can.
Trailer to another car because this one already had the trailer on.
Okay. So we got a Grand National. We're gonna unload this thing. Are we gonna take it for a test drive? We didn't even test drive this thing, bud. Do you know that? Does it run?
We drove it onto the trailer.
Oh, will it do a burnout?
Let's try.
On the trailer? Thing is sweet.
Let's park it in the garage.
Feels good in there. Now we got our Grand National. Well, I think Logan and I, we're gonna probably just sit here and play for the next few hours until Mama comes down and says it's time for bed. And hope you guys enjoyed this video because we really enjoyed making this. These type of videos are really fun to make and they're pretty easy, except the building process does take a while. It is time consuming, but
it's fun.
It's fun. These are Logan's most favorite. Between this and the Power Wheels, you just have a lot of fun, don't you? All right. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely hit the like button, show some love. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell.
Can we do a burnout for
yeah, we can do
video?
burnouts all day. Yeah.
I want to do one with Christine for the video.
Okay, do one real quick, and then we gotta close it out. Oh, you got the cop in on this one? Huh? Are you putting, now you gotta put her in jail? Did you show him the jail?
Christine put the cop in there.
People, we didn't even put our people in the town. I just realized that, buddy. We got this thing right here. It's just like full of people. But we've been leaving the people and the motorcycles off of this because Liam will lose these. So, and the motorcycles are actually really cool. They look pretty good. Just when I thought I was gonna wrap it up, start showing you guys more, we could just keep going all day. Just keep showing you guys cool things. All right, we're gonna wrap this video up finally.
But first I want to show you something. Look inside here.
Oh my gosh. You put the cop behind bars? Whoa.
Christine did it.
She's evil, isn't she? That being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Bye. This time